Terrible time to start the video. Hey guys, today we are playing
Jerry and Harry.
It's Jerry and Harry!
Oh, I thought I was meant to say it.
No.
No.
Okay.
On survival games.
Yeah, so we're going to be on survival games. I don't know.
Just in case you didn't hear, we're going to be on survival games.
Oh, just shut up now.
Just survival games. Survival games. Yeah, survival games.
Room 8 moon.
Oh, you wait, no, that's not you. What?
Room 8 map
Room 8,
moon.
what is it? Ooh, moon.
I've never been on this. Is this a new map?
Oh my god, this is awesome.
Yeah, you're with a pig.
Yeah, I've won. Oh my god, I can jump and it's awesome. I love the
Cause we're on the moon.
We're on the moon.
Cause we're on the moon. Khalees.
Moon. Yeah, what? Do I need to show off my moon skills?
Yeah.
The moon is somewhere up high where you can jump very high.
Hey, you took my axe!
Holy shit.
I've got a better one.
Oh, I'm so jelly. Do you want it back though?
Yeah. I'll give you this one. It's awesome. It's delicious too.
Deal?
There you go. There you go, little dragon. Oh, I talk very bad. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. Don't hit me! Damn you!
Fine, there, I gave you it. I left everything what was in there in the chest. There was a blue axe and an iron helm, but I take the helm. I nearly have full iron armor. I have 3 pieces. I need the legs now.
I nearly have a dead body.
For what? Do you have any food?
No.
Because if you did, I would have gave you an iron chest plate. When we see one of them other guys who are also teaming, we gotta kill them.
I can see someone.
That's me, it's me, it's me!
Run.
You think I'd be this calm? I'd be like, ah! Going mad, killing you. Chop, chop, chop. Oh, I need food. I have 4 hunger bars left. Do you have any?
No.
What are we getting? Did you go in that big glass ball?
Yeah, not in here.
Oh, that sucks. Go mid, that team's there.
No, I've barely got any armor.
Fine, I'll give you my iron helmet. Come here.
I'm climbing Mount Moonville.
Fine, I'll give you the iron chest plate if you get to me.
I've got some bread.
Give you the iron chest plate for it.
How many hunger bars do you have?
3.
I have 3. We'll share it. I have 1. You have 1.
Okay.
I've got 2.5. I can see you. See me up here.
Oh, hi.
Can
Iron sword.
Can I have this stuff? Sticks and cooked chicken.
I'll take the chicken.
Oh. There's only 1 piece. There you go.
No. Yeah, you get an iron helmet.
Oh, thank you.
I was gonna give you the chest plate, but you'd already
I know.
chest plate, so I gave you the helmet.
Is the oh, that's embarrassing.
I can run. Okay, we can totally take that other
Khalees,
team on.
I'm almost dead.
Pass the iron helmet, I'll give you my iron sword.
Don't hit.
I mean, iron
Don't
axe.
hit me. Don't hit me. Don't
Pass the
hit
iron
me.
axe. Pass the iron axe.
Don't hit me. I've got 1 heart.
Do you have any food?
No.
No.
Damn it.
I'll go try find you some, okay?
Love the crocodile. Look at the crocodile.
Crocodile. I got myself an iron sword. Is that nice? No. Or do we need to get you food?
Food's more important.
Okay, I see a chest. Hopefully there's food in it. Yes, there's a steak in it. Where are you?
On the mountain.
That mountain again?
Yeah, on Mount Moon.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't move. Unless someone else is coming, but if not, don't move.
Is that your name tag?
Yeah, it's me, don't worry.
Can you pass some food to me?
We need to get to the top of Mount Moonus.
Mount Moonville.
I need that steak, but you're doing a bit, so I'll give you it.
Oh, thanks. I'm trying to regen now.
Now you get blown up!
That sounded so weird. Now you get blown up.
No, here.
What?
I know you like it.
Oh. We both like TNT though. You have 1 piece, I have 1 piece.
Yes.
There you go.
Do you have a diamond?
No, I have a stick though.
I have a diamond. If you get another, I get another one, you can have a sword.
I'm regenning.
Oh, but I have 1.5 hunger bars. I mean, 1.5 food things. Please say that there's food around. This should really be called the Hunger Games.
I've got your stone axe if you need it.
I have an iron sword. I have half heart. Because of that jumping, I think I can jump everywhere and survive, I feel. No, me, I'll end up jumping too far.
No, cause you get hit from jumping, you know. That's how I got down to 1 heart.
I know, I'm on half a heart. But I'm still jumping.
What?
Please find a chest.
Oh, crap.
Is there someone there?
No. Me.
Tell me if you find...
I can't move.
Please, yes, 2 apples, yes.
Lucky for you, I can't even move.
Really?
When I move, I get teleported back.
Well, move, for what then? Oh, and guess what I got you? I got you some iron potatoes.
I've got iron boots.
No.
I got
you
all
good
the
leggings.
booties. What?
I got you good leggings.
I've got chain leggings.
Well, then you want the other ones.
But,
Why is there so many iron axes?
But you're gonna be jelly. I've got 3 butter boots.
Oh, I'm so jelly right now. You getting attacked?
No, I just fell from like the highest spot ever.
Yeah. So do you have? Can you move now? Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome.
Oh crap! I've got
what?
3 hunger.
Right, what's up? Is someone there?
I've got 3 hunger bars.
Oh, I go try. I got a fishy. Where is it? Where are you? I got you the fishy. Where are you?
I don't know.
Well, explain.
I found a chest.
Where about that?
I don't know.
Well, explain it next to it.
I found 2 cooked fish, a few
Nice.
arrows, and a fishing rod.
Good, because I was going to eat the fish. That was very hungry.
Here we go, I can finally sprint again.
Don't sprint. Just walk normally, but where are you?
I had a big plane thing.
Oh my god, how do you know how to do that?
Do you want this booted axe?
I got 2 diamonds, where are you?
I don't know.
Well, tell me.
On the ship thing?
What ship thing? There's a million ships.
I've got an iron chest plate. Why am I screaming?
Dunno. I should be the one screaming. I have 2 diamonds.
I have 4 sticks.
And I have no sticks.
I'll make a diamond sword for you if you need it.
Well, now I want you to have it. You
Why?
should totally have that. Because it's. Do you want to be
Am I getting hit? Or is that me being a complete dumbo?
No, I think it's you.
Yeah. I'm at the back of spawn.
Don't know where spawn is, but I'll go. Oh, I just got 3 iron. I can make me. Oh, wait, now I have an iron sword, damn it.
I'm serious, please.
At least.
I'm gonna die. I've got no food.
I'm coming. Even though I have. Ooh, I have 2 bread. We can have 1 each. I'm coming to spawn.
Seriously, I've got 1.5 hearts.
I'm coming. I'll give you both me bread. Bread.
I don't need both of it.
Do you just need 1?
Yes.
Go.
Please hurry up. I've got 1 heart.
I'm at an airplane. Start coming.
Which airplane?
It's the big, greyish, whitish, black one.
The airplane we spawned at.
You know, did we spawn at an airplane?
Yes.
Is
Is that you?
Yes.
Give me something.
Yeah. Now go make me a.
Don't hit me. I've got literally 1 heart. Are you trying to hit
Go
me?
find the crafting. No. Go find the crafting table.
Who's chest?
Oh, that's what I was gonna go for. You can have it. You don't have one. You do. Pass. Give me.
Ooh, a chest.
Now
Oh, nothing in.
oh.
Best chest ever.
Did they go into spawn?
Now we need the diamond sword.
We'll go make one then. We both have iron swords. That's okay.
I need some bread or something to eat. Again. I can see one of their name tag. Game tag.
Saying we can totally get them. Come on, we can double team them. Where are they?
I've got 1.5 heart, please.
Well, be careful and go and shift because I have 3 hearts, so.
Kill them.
Let's go find some bread. Oh yeah, more food. I have 1.5 hearts. I need food myself.
I need food. I've got 1.5 heart.
I have a hunger bar.
Oh.
Not really. I have 1.5. I mean, I have 3. How many do you have?
Oh no. Ah! Ah.
Oh, that sucks. Where did they get you?
I fell.
Well,
That's how much health I had. I'm spectating you. Wait. the corner. And then you can get all my stuff.
This way?
No! Turn round. Now go forward.
1.5 hours, I'm not going forward.
Okay, find your way down. Ow. Are you stuck?
I knew I was gonna die. Look, I was writing in chat. Guys, I can't be bothered. I'm gonna die. Bye. Lol. See ya. Peace. Hey, let's go.
No, I need to watch how they die. Oh, that's crap. Alright, let's leave. They're never gonna kill each other.
Bye.
I was like, cannon back! Ow.
That was a cool map.
Yeah.
Just guys, people who make Mr. Deaf William, who pretty much makes every single map or whatever. You should really give us jump boost if you want people to survive now. Okay, come on, what room?
Room 11.
17, 38. Right. Okay, it's a pull out. I don't think I clicked on the right one.
No, you did. Okay. Sorry, my mother was an evil little bluff face. She's just punched me in the arm.
Why?
I don't know. Well, Mother, you are on YouTube now. Wait, Clarice.
What?
I have no idea where you are, so meet at spawn.
I have nothing, so where are you?
Meet at spawn.
I'm at spawn. I'm at spawn, where are you? Don't hit me. Mister?
I'm behind you. Do you want this fishing rod? There you go. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Take it!
What?
God damn! Come on, please. Take it!
You haven't threw any.
See.
Where you gone?
I'm over here!
Where?
Turn round.
Oh, thanks. There might be people behind me. And there might be ugly. Who the hell's that?
My God. What's wrong with you?
Beautiful. No one can handle it.
I can. I'm too
Except for
beautiful.
you, because you're just
gorgeous. I'm so sexy. I'm so sexy. You never knew. I like to wear chimpanzees too. I'm so awesome. Do you want to change helmet now?
What?
Do you want to chain helmet?
Yeah.
Do you want to chain helmet?
Give me. I got
Max! Yay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give it to you.
Give me.
Maybe I need to hit, yeah, and then I can give it. Seriously? Sorry, but you can't have this, please. Wait, stop! I'm gonna die! I'll give it to you.
Give me that.
It's laggy.
I can't hear.
I just gave it to you.
I have nothing.
That sounded like a fart, you know. I threw it, it's disappeared. Ow.
See you.
My bread turned into a What?
Come up here, look where I am.
Don't say you're in heaven.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped.
You're not.
You come in. Punch me, punch me. Wait, never mind, look up.
Sorry.
Never mind.
Do you want this now? Yes!
Can I have some bread?
I just told you my bread turned into a chain helmet. I'm gonna die, police!
I have 2 hunger bars.
I have 2.5.
You should have a whole bar. Why is... I've opened one chest and now it's lagging me. Okay, so after the shrine, you don't need to be on your own, so we can end it down.
I got a stick. Police? Turn round.
There might be some movie people behind me.
There isn't, it's me. Have this piece of bread. It teleported back into my inventory.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, look at this!
Ooh, look, 2 fishy with iron.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Come over here. Come to the big mountain. It looks sick. There's like creeper face.
Oh yeah, the one with all the yeah, okay.
Skeleton and the thingy.
Oh, game, what are you up an end?
Did someone just say gay? Hurry up.
Game?
Gain. We know.
Said game, what are you up an end?
You said gay.
I need to go watch the game.
You said
I
I'm
need to
gay.
go watch Celebrity here. I wanna go watch it badly.
I'll give you a boost.
Hey, hit me, missus.
Hey, I'm a pig. I'm beautiful.
Yeah, actually, now I can just lick my hands and hope.
Wait, what? Oh. Pro parkour skills by the pro gamer.
Pro chess by Fan Monkey.
Ooh, a chest. Ow. What's a cracked chest?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Hey, police. Oh, wow.
Oh. God, I seen something ugly in the background and it was like, oh, my lady.
I'm beautiful.
I'm only joking.
I'm beautiful, police.
I know, I'm just so joking.
That's me, and I'm gonna now wipe my face on your legs.
And I'm gonna now come after you with a sword.
I've got an axe.
And get nice pork chop. I suck at parkour.
You wish you was like me. Remember the parkour maps? I was so good at them. Guys, you should watch that video. I am awesome at the parkour maps.
Yeah, he really is.
I'm on Steve's head.
Okay, gotta go.
Don't kill me.
Take all my stuff.
Oh. Thank you.
I'm giving you everything I have. I got to go. Bye.
I need a chest plate. Ah!
I just freed an iron one.
I don't have one. Oh crap. Oh, now I have it. Sorry guys, she's gotta go. After this round, we'll go. Let's go kill some people. I'm probably gonna die by doing that, but I don't care. I'm all about it. Don't say we can't get it out of here. So let's swim the hell out of here and get us some food. We never have food. That's probably why it's called. That's gonna be edited. Okay, stone sword, piece of steak, go into the hat. What? Where's my steak? Oh my god. Okay, do we have a stick? We have a stick. We can craft a diamond sword? Yep, we can. Sorry, I'm not talking that much, guys. What's happening? Okay, we're very sorry that I'm very sorry that Minecraft is terrible. Oh yeah, guys, Khalees will be on tomorrow. If you're wondering, should I just drown? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Ow. Chicken, 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 chicken. Okay, this sucks. This sucks. I'm gonna die. Well, I'm just gonna end the video here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe on what your thoughts are about this video. I'm very sorry I was sick in this video because I'm still sick. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.